Moo Cow Phonics, Moo Cow Phonics, Moo Cow Phonics, Moo.
Hello and welcome to Moo Cow Phonics. I'm Lydia and this is Moo Cow. Say hello, Moo Cow.
Hello, Moo Cow.
Today we're going to play Phonics Bowling.
Yay! What's that?
Well, I've got two sounds here that are going to make a word. What does this sound say, Moo Cow?
A.
Well done. And what about this sound?
Ooh.
Very good.
There's a sound missing at the beginning.
There is. Moo Cow, you're going to bowl and knock over a skittle. Each skittle has a sound underneath. That sound will go at the beginning to make a word.
I see. So much fun.
Do you want to bowl, Moo Cow?
Yes, very much.
Well done, Moo Cow. Moo Cow has knocked over this sound. What sound is it, Moo Cow? Well done. Let's stick it up and make a word. Can you have a go and sound out the word? Now Moo Cow is going to have a go and sound it out.
A-O. Rail!
Well done. Do you want to bowl over another sound, Moo Cow?
Oh, yes, please.
Now Moo Cow has bowled over the S sound. Try and see if you can sound this word out. Do you want to have a go at sounding this one out, Moo Cow?
S-A-O. Sail!
Excellent. Do you want to bowl over the last sound, Moo Cow?
You know I do.
Now Moo Cow has bowled over the T sound. Do you want to sound it out, Moo Cow?
T-A-O. Tail.
Brilliant. Oh, look, the skittles have been set up again. Do you want to play again, Moo Cow?
Oh, yes, very much.
Well, while you do that, I'm going to put some different sounds on.
Yeah, great. Give me the ball.
Well done, Moo Cow. What sound have I put up this time in the middle?
O.
Well done. And the sound at the end?
T.
And what sound have you just bowled?
B.
Excellent. Let's put it up. What word does this make, Moo Cow?
B-O-T. Boat.
Well done. Want to bowl over another sound?
I'd like nothing more.
Now Moo Cow has bowled over the K sound.
I certainly did.
Want to sound it out, Moo Cow?
K-O-T. Coat.
Very good. Want to bowl over the last sound, Moo Cow?
Oh, this is the last one. That's a shame.
Oh, we'll play it another time, Moo Cow.
Oh, good.
Well done, Moo Cow. You've bowled over the G sound. Ready to sound out this word, Moo Cow?
G-O-T. Goat.
Well done.
I know a goat. His name is Bleat Goat. Nice guy.
If you want to play this game yourself, make sure the sound in the middle starts with a vowel. A, E, I, O, A. And when choosing a sound for the end, it's best to choose from one of these sounds. Did you enjoy playing Phonics Bowling, Moo Cow?
I did, and I was very good at it, wasn't I?
You were, weren't you?
6 for 6.
We hope you enjoyed it too. And we'll see you next time. Say bye, Moo Cow.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Moo Cow Phonics, Moo Cow Phonics, Moo Cow Phonics, Moo.